The Trend Twin Pocket Hole Jig for fast, accurate and strong joints. The Twin Pocket Hole Jig can be used for new projects. It can also be used for repair work, where the extra strength can make all the difference. Simply rotate the removable end piece for repair work. The Twin Pocket Hole Jig is simple to set up. Measure your material using the Imperial or metric markings. Set the drill depth to suit your timber thickness and adjust the pocket depth to match. It features a magnetic plate for use with an accessory clamp. Then secure the jig and drill. The jig features fully hardened drill guides for durability and long life. The Twin Pocket Hole Jig is compact and portable while being versatile and strong. It's ideal for both trade and DIY applications. Trend Twin Pocket Hole Jig for fast, accurate and strong joints in timber and plywood.